Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a Revell Monogram 1967 Corvette 427 Roadster, 125 scale, skill level 2. Here's the side of this box. This kit here came out. Here's the side panel. Here's the other side. I don't know when this kit came out. Let me keep looking here. Oh, here we go. This kit is from 1997. We're going to go ahead and get right into this one. Hope everyone's having a great day. Now, right off the bat, we have the body. there's no top at all on this one. That's funny. Here it looks like we're going to have an opening hood. Little pins here, I'm going to assume are for locating the bumper, for the bumper guards most likely. No detail on the bottom. Back end view from 62 to 67 Corvette there, I believe. Yep. Well, that's that. Right on top here are the decals that came with it, and these are they're decals. They're a little bit cracked. The Stinger hood decal is chewed up a little bit. License plate RH 1967. Not a whole lot. I'd give you 3 options for the decal for the top. Some faux red line tires. Maybe inside the tires, we'll look at those. I'll take them out right now and look at them. Here's one of the tires. And no writing on the tires. So I get... Oh, there is writing right there on the very top part. I don't know if you can make it out. It says Michelin right around the very edge. And then I guess these red lines, you could stick them around there and try to square them up on your round tire. Make them look like they do on the box top there. Alright, so we got 4 Michelins. Right there. And for molded in white parts. For molded in white parts we have a really nice looking hood. It says 427 on the side. That's pretty cool. The seat backings, door panels which have decent detail on them. Sun visors, oil pan, the heads, some valve cover gaskets, a couple coolant hoses, water pump, battery, some exhaust for the side exhaust. Let's see how they look on this side. Yep, those are definitely for the side exhaust. Some flashing. Fan shroud, 5-bladed fan, engine block and transmission molded together. Some coil springs, either a radiator or windshield wiper coolant reservoir. And this part number 19, I'm not sure what that is. I think it might be a brake booster if it had disc brakes. Here, oh cool, here's a hood, I didn't even, or a roof rather. Didn't even realize it come with one of those. That's kind of neat. Inner wheel wells, the seats, nice dashboard, always very space age looking to me. Because don't forget in the 60s, America was in the space race. So the Corvette had to go that way, and every astronaut had a Corvette, right? Here's the frame and the lower part of the chassis. It says 1996 molded in on the bottom of that, and the box said 97. That's that part. Here are inner wheel backings, a steering wheel, goes that way, steering column, drive shaft, fan belt and pulleys. Then the interior tub, okay detail on that. Plastic itself feels pretty good. I forgot to mention that earlier. It's a decent thickness, a little slick, but decent. Here's firewall, exhaust manifolds, radiator, clutch and brake pedal, radiator support. Boy, I had I drew a blank there on that one, guys. Sorry. Radiator support, starter, some front end suspension parts, lower control arms, upper control arms. These are the uppers, these are the lowers. Leaf spring, it looks like, but maybe not. No, I don't think that is leaf spring because they had this kind of spring over the rear axle. That's the leaf spring for the Corvette. I believe that is the top half of the rear end. Yep. Some shock absorbers and some suspension parts up here, steering parts, steering gearbox, which is always cool. That's all for white parts, molded in white. They have two chrome trees. This one here, it has the intake manifold, the grill, the tricarb system, which is right here. This looks like a license plate for the back end. A couple little chrome accent pieces. I'm not really sure what those are. Part 109, 110. We'll check those out when we get in the instructions. Here's your vent windows. Covers for the exhaust. Distributor. Oh, that's a piece of the tree right there. I'm trying to figure out what that is. There's a distributor and what I think is the alternator pulley section. Yep. Windshield wipers right here. Yep. Those are nice. And then here we have the frame for the rear window. No, I take that back, guys. Sorry. That's the frame for the front windshield. Because remember, it was flat on the top. Here's the wheels, some bumpers, air cleaner, some mirrors. Looks like fuel pump right there. A lot of nice little details. Some, I think these little pieces here are the lights. Let's see right here, these lights. I think those are the inserts for those. Yeah, that looks like about it. A couple more miscellaneous pieces. License plate frame, door handles. Pretty nice detail on this kit. And molded in red, we have the little dots. That'll be your brake lights. And there's that number, that letter A again. Plastic A. Nothing else in the box. And here we have the instructions. Oh, I take that back. Hiding inside, protected, were the windshield glass, a rear window, and the two side windows. And that's either mirror or dashboard cluster cover. Have to see what that one is on the inside. Here's the instructions. Decent write-up. Well, not really. Okay write-up. There's just this section. I thought this whole thing was part of it. But it's just this part. Tells you about the Corvette. 5th and final year for a body style. It started in '63. Right, with the split window, right? Here's some color options. Painting options. And now the instructions say 98 on them. How funny is that, guys? That one body part said 96, the box says 97, and the instructions are 98. So, take your choice. Here we have the engine going together. Pretty basic there. Okay. Suspension and chassis. The rear leaf spring goes sideways. Oh, that other part was a transmission cross member. Okay. Cross brace, pardon me. Engine completed. Put your inner fender wheels in. Yep, that other part was a brake booster. Okay. Shifter, parking brake handle. Nice. Radiator fan shroud and the radiator core support with the radiator. coolant line. I'm sorry, lower radiator hose. Windshield washer bottle, that's what that one was. Alright. Okay, chrome side things for the exhaust. Those are cool. License plate frame, yep. There's that clear lens. It's for the backup lights, not the speedometer gauge cluster in that. It's the backup lens, goes right in the middle of the back of the vehicle. And those other things were the housings. I thought it was for this light, but it's actually the housings for the rear lights. And then them little red dots right here on the red plastic tree, glue right on the outsides of those. Alright. Door mirrors, frames, sun visors. And it's only 6 steps in this build. The soft top, which is hard plastic, whatever. E. Oh, there's a decal that comes, where is it? Right here. Right there is a decal. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see it with the glare. It looks like a small model car box for 67 Corvette, and you set it on the seat there. And here's the engine hood stripe color combos. Very cool. Each exterior body had the option of having the black stripe on the hood, like this. And these colors, you could have it also in red or black. Interesting. Or bright blue. That's very cool. White. Did they give you an option for white? Oh yeah, there's an option for white, guys. I didn't see it. So it's four color combos they give you for the Stinger hood. And if you had the car was dark green. Oh, this is the interior colors up on top here. I'm sorry. My bad. Very cool. White and black. And these are the hood stripe colors. Huh. Very cool. Well, there you have it, folks. As always, I want to thank you for stopping by. Hope you're having a great summer as we near the end of summer. Want to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let everybody know about this channel for me. I appreciate it. Have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.